Let's talk like nationwide really quick about the property. So property especially, there's, clients have been facing two things, right? So there's, on one side, we have underinsurance. So we talked a lot about things like co-insurance penalties where policies have these penalties that are built in where if you're not insured properly and you have a claim, the insurance company might not pay your whole claim. And that's a big, big issue, right? So over the past couple of years, companies have been finding like their actuarial data only works when a risk is properly insured. So when it's not properly insured, they're not charging the right rate. So people are getting hit on two sides. One, because we're increasing insured values, and two, we're increasing rates at the same time. And that's really painful. So that's when, you hear clients talking about 30, 40%, 100% increases. A lot of times they're getting hit on both sides. Not all of that is just pure rate increase. Now, the majority of that inflation on the actual insured value has taken place. It's already been pushed through the system. So now I hope that settles down so it's just pure rate increases as they try to figure out what that level is. And we're already seeing across the nation, obviously Florida's a different story, but across the nation we are seeing the property market settle down a little bit. That's not to say, you made a good point about some like appetite changing within these carriers. Multifamily space. We do a lot in multifamily.
We have a lot of clients.
You do a lot of
ETS has a lot of clients. We do cost segregation studies, hundreds a week, for multifamily.
Yeah, and
single family rentals. The new, the VRBOs, the vacation rentals, the small multifamily, the large multifamily.
Yeah.
And we always talk about the older vintage multifamily. It's painful.
Exactly. Yeah, and the reason it's painful, we go from having 25 standard markets who used to love that stuff and would write all day long to now out of those, they want things that are 25 years and newer. The roof has to be
what's the age of the electrical?
Exactly.
And those are very expensive upgrades.
Fixes, yeah. And
luckily there's some tax benefits for that stuff.
Exactly. Yeah, that's your side of the table. But that Class B and C, and also you and your clients know, there's only so much pressure those rents can take, right?
Oh yeah.
And at some point, when you're getting a lower rent opportunity, how much can insurance continue to increase and still afford?
Yeah, you can't keep pushing rents up to cover.
Yeah, so it's a mess. It's a mess. There is definitely some solutions out there.